What's going on, you guys? This is MX Caddy. I have another Dell Precision T5500. Going to be a gaming upgrade. Show you how to do that. So you're going to move the side cover panel. Now, first I will do is lift this up right here. And what you guys have to do is we have to remove this plastic bracket right here. It holds up the video card. And it's held by the two screws here. You have to remove. You have to use a mini Phillips screwdriver. There's one screw here and one in the bottom that you have to remove. This requires for us to install the GTX 1070 video card for gaming. So first I have to do is remove this old video card. And there's a little clip. You press it down right here with your finger, right in the corner. I'll go the other side like this. Now, what I will do is, I'm going to lift this up, remove the memory shroud. It's got 8 gigs of RAM of Kingston. It's using the ECC register memory for a server. And what I will do is I'm going to install another match pair. So I'll make it 16 gigs. And it's triple channel. So for what you're going to do is install the one stick for the third one, where the Y one is. That's a DIMM slot 3, and DIMM slot 4 it would be the right here, the black one. So the memory is installed. Now guys, what I have to do is install the rear system fan. It's really critical. We have to, if you're gonna be using for gaming, you have to install a minimum 80mm fan in the back. Otherwise the machine's going to be running really hot and it can actually fry your motherboard and your video card. So we have to do that. So guys, I'm going to be using an 80mm fan. And it's a 4-pin Molex. So what I will do is I need a fan screws to install it. So first all I will do is install one screw here in the corner. And one on the other side corner. Like this. Then what I will do is I'm going to use a drill. Okay, now I have to install 2 more screws in the back for the fan. 1 and 2. Now okay, we're done. Now I have to go around the corner and get the wire here behind it. And there's a Molex 4-pin right here that you're connected to. Because I did modify the fan, guys. It's running not a 12 volt, but it's running 6 volts. So it runs a lot, basically low RPM. But if you guys don't know how to do that, then that's fine. What you have to do is just go online and get the Antec 3-speed. The fan they sell, it's 80mm, and it's really nice. It's got a fan speed, high, low, medium. They run about $15 each for the 80mm. You can look up online. They either sell them new or used. And it's Antec 3-speed. I'll put in the description. You guys can get it and see it's running a 4-pin Molex also. So it's a lot easier that way, and it's like a really nice fan. This is 120mm, but they do have 80mm fan. You can buy them online. And it's a lot better, because I can't wait to order the fan. I have to make a video now. I can't wait that long to get the other fan. So I got this one installed. Now I'm installing the video card. I'm going to show you guys the box. It's a super clocked GTX 1070. Really nice. We're gonna do lift this up back. And we're going to be installing through PCI Express times 16 slot, the blue one right here. That's where you install the video card. So the video card is installed. Now what I have to do is you guys have to buy this cable, because this power supply is 875 watts, really powerful. It's got a, you don't have to upgrade this video card, guys. This power supply will push 1080 Ti without any problems. So you're gonna get this cable. They sell online. It's a 6-pin to 8-pin. That's what this video card takes. You're gonna plug in like this, and now what you guys have to do is, we have to remove the bracket here on top before you install this bracket back. You see right here, it's on its way for the video card, and it's held by the 3 screws here. So do just remove it quickly. And I have another T5500, and does not have a removable, you can't remove this. So what you have to do is you have to cut it out. Cut the piece out if you can. So that's removed. Now guys, I'll close this. So what I will do is the last part is, we're going to be upgrading the hard drive to solid state drive. You're going to disconnect the SATA power cable. And little tabs, you lift them up with your finger like this, gently. Hard drive come out. Now, I'm going to show you guys, that's the bracket I'm going to be using. It's an Intel bracket actually, and I'll put in the description, guys, the model number you can get. It's super nice. So we got a 2.5-inch solid state drive you can install, and another one you can install a solid state drive, or I could just go ahead and do 2 terabytes like this. You guys can go install like that. Hard drive at 2.5-inch, it's a laptop, and just be the best way like this. Install. I'm going to show you. So what I'll do is I'll put the screws on it. Now what I'll do is use a drill, because it will take way too long. Now the other side. Perfect. Now I'll install it like this. So if you're going to be using the main boot drive, for solid state drive, install Windows 10 on it, then you're going to connect the SATA 0 cable to the main boot drive right here. And the second one for storage, what you have to do is don't connect it until you install Windows on it first. Then you connect the other one for the storage. And install this one the other side like that, and the SATA cable. And you have to align right here. You see what you can align in right here, so it's pretty quick like this, and it's toolless. And you're done. That's how quick it was. So guys, the last part is, I'm going to show you guys the benchmark I did. And if you guys don't like this is a Intel solid state drive. It's a Pro series, pretty good. I put in the description. Or you can also use, even better, the Samsung right here, the A50 Pro. It's a really good one. Actually, you can use that. So let me close the side cover panel. If you guys are going to be installing Windows 10 Professional 64-bit for solid state drive and the video card, you have to do go to NVIDIA and get the drivers for it. And I'll show you guys the other video card you can use. I did a benchmark on it. It's MSI. This is a GTX 970 4 gigs, and the other video card I'll show you guys is this is a GTX 1050 Ti. It's a low profile, but it's actually slower. This video card is faster, the GTX 970, and the Fire Strike benchmark. I'm gonna show it to you guys. You will see it. So I'm gonna get the laptop quickly, show you the score. I'm gonna zoom in quickly. So this is what the score we get in GTX 1070. So the GTX 1070, you get around 13,421, and the processor running is 5660. It's a 6-core, and I'll show you the GTX 970, the MSI. You got 9,520, and it's the same processor. And the GTX 1050 Ti, the score is 6,609, and it's the same processor. Same running, same 6-core processor. I did a rated benchmark on the same system. And the last part is the Signbench R15. We're getting a score. I'm going to zoom in the camera so you guys can see better. It's a 711, and here's the processor, 5660, and it shows here it's actually faster than the i7-3770. Yeah, but i7-3770 costs over $100. This processor here only costs around $20, so it's 80% less. So like how powerful it is. Look at that, 711. So yeah, that's, guys, to be a powerful system for gaming. You can use it for AutoCAD if you want. I would probably do is get a faster Xeon processors they have, but I got this one for around $20. That's a pretty good deal. So then, guys, to be the end of the video, let me close this side up, this laptop. So guys, at the separate video I will upload is for the cleaning the fan, the side cover fans. I'll upload the video separately, show you guys how to do that. So guys, to be the end of the video, thanks for watching. Bye.